guys, it's me TJ from the Toy Talks family, and today I'm here with Lily and Zae.
Hi guys!
And today we have these dinosaur smashers, and today there's 25 surprises, and it says you have to smash them to open it. And I got a ice one, and it has a hand coming out the top, and it has sharp nails. And let's read the back to see if there's anything there. Yeah, so it says you can smash, slime, there is also fizz, stretch, and freeze, and one more, build. So I'm guessing you build the dinosaur.
And mine is like the opposite of TJ's. Mine is lava, which is a mega light up dino, and it has the same 25 surprise. And on the back, it's got the same as TJ's basically, except they're all lava. So we got the lava smash, the lava slime, the fizzy, and this one is a volcano, it looks like. And then we've got stretch, find, and build. This one you have to, I think, build your dinosaur. And this dino, my dino egg includes one epic dino egg, one meteorite bag, one scratch and find map, 5 glow-in-the-dark stickers, 1 lava slime, 1 fizzy lava volcano, 1 color-changing slime, 1 stretchy lava foam, 4 mini smash eggs, 4 surprise characters, 1 smash egg rebuilder, 1 smashosaur, 1 DNA tube, 1 instruction sheet, and 1 collector's guide.
And mine,
that was a lot of reading.
yeah, it was. And mine had 1 dino ice surprise egg, 1 frozen dino bag, 1 artistic stretch map, 1 stretchy snow, 1 crystal slime, 1 blizzard bomb, 1 growing snow, 1 frozen slime, 6 mini smash eggs, 1 smash rebuilder, 1 smashosaur, 1 instruction sheet, 1 collector's guide. Now let's get this open.
Alright, so what do you want to do? Do you want to, you open yours first and then I open mine after? Or you want to open like the same parts at the same time?
Maybe the same parts at the same time.
Alright, so let's get this strip right here open. I'm just going to rip the whole thing. Got a little bit of tape. So, I don't know about smashing them on the floor, but I think we're supposed to like punch it or something like that. I don't know. So let's try punching it. Alright, on the count of 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
That was cool.
Okay, so I'll open. Actually, no, we'll open at the same time. You want to?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so these open. Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 It's Easter! Whoa! Look at all this. Oh my gosh!
There's so much stuff.
Hey guys, we got everything out and we kind of neatened it a little bit, but I think this is gonna turn into a lava versus ice video.
Yeah, I think it is.
Which obviously lava's better. We have to admit.
No, ice is.
I'm sorry, but yeah.
I think ice is because ice freezes people.
Yeah, but then I can melt it with lava. And then I can melt you with lava after. Alright, so first, let's see what bags we have the same first, because look, so you can tell some of the stuff is different. So how about we do this one first?
Wait a minute. They're not the same. This one is lava slime. This is crystal slime.
Okay, so TJ got 6 eggs and I got 4 eggs. So he's gonna open 2 now, and then we'll start opening them together. So if you wanna go ahead and open yours.
Okay, so I think I can't really see what that is. What is that?
Looks like a melted monster.
Looks like a fly. Kind of.
What's on the back?
A splatty fly.
Oh yeah. Okay, now let's open this one. Okay, let's drop it. Wow, that was easy. And I got an elephant, but he looks like he's a little frozen right here. And then he got splatted with bird poo on the back, and it looks like he's running. And now we can open them together.
so off camera I had some technical difficulties. These things are very fragile. I didn't know that, so I accidentally broke it. So he's a bit stinky. I don't know what he's doing. Alright, so TJ, you can open one more because I had technical difficulties and now I'm one lower than you. So go ahead.
Okay. Wow, that was easy. It looks like
A Triceratops.
Yeah, and I almost thought I got the same one as you because it's also green. But this time it's a dinosaur again. But this isn't a dinosaur. And he has some frozen on his leg right there. And then he has white stuff all along his back. Okay, now let's drop them. 3, 2, 1. Oh, mine didn't break.
Looks like a mammoth I got.
There.
Ooh.
Whoa, this
Whoa,
one's soft.
it's a fuzzy one. The version, wait,
Can I feel
let me
it?
get it.
Fuzzy.
Where?
Yeah.
Look, it's the same as mine except fuzzy.
And it's snowing and it's like
Yeah. Alright. Actually, I have an idea. Let's do it different. So let's actually do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I got a question now. Alright, so mine is easy. It's better like T-Rex.
like a leg because you can see his foot. So
And
let's
I
put
got,
that to the side.
and I, out of my sand, I got a, it looks like a T-Rex tail that we got here. And move on to the next thing. I got stretchy foam here that looks like Halloween colors, and TJ got stretchy foam or stretchy snow that looks like snow or Christmassy colors. And yeah, let's get these open.
I got mine.
All right, I'm just gonna dump it out like this.
Wow.
Oh, there's a, what? Whoa.
Jelly slime.
I got like this non-sticky.
Whoa. All right, so I hear we're supposed to find the dinosaur part. So let's find this. Oh, I found it.
Ooh.
What the?
I got.
It's eating the slime. There's a bunch of like slime stuff in it.
I got.
So let's try to get this out. While I'm trying to get it out, let's see what TJ got.
I got another leg like this one, and then another leg. So I think this is his third leg. Then also got his head. Look at this. It's actually, hold on. I think it's like this, is it? Yeah, see guys? Look, it's like a bigger version kind of. Okay, let's get all the slime off. Okay, so I got a head and I got these two. And this I already had, but this one is like bent, so this could be maybe his foot, like this. Okay.
I've got some lava slime here. I think it comes with, since I got the head last time right here. Oops. Since I got the head last time, I think I'm gonna get one of the arms, maybe both of the arms. I don't know. Well, what'd you get?
I might get maybe a body, and this is crystal slime. So I think it's really good.
Alright, looks like I got the legs a little kind of lined up a bit. Yeah. Now it says I'm supposed to pour water. I don't know what this is gonna do. Here, can I please have the thing?
Yep. The more I pour.
Boink. But anyways,
Whoa,
okay, now
nice.
let me dump the water. Whoa, you can hear it fizzing. Listen to a fizz. Whoa.
Wow.
It's like popping too.
Fizzing like hot lava.
Look at all my stuff.
Whoa.
It's so cool. Whoa, yours really looks like mine.
Fizzing. You can still hear it. If you guys listen closely, you can hear the fizz.
And it's orange.
Look, if you guys listen closely, you can hear the fizz. Listen.
Two in mine. It's like kind of orange.
So what did I get here? I got... Oh, I got both of the arms, the dinosaur arms. You can still hear fizzing. Alright, so TJ needs water to open his, so I'll just open mine first. It's the Light Up Dino, Mega Light Up Dino. Here's the body. Whoa!
Okay, I'm opening mine. So you put it in water and it should bubble like a bathtub. Whoa, it feels cool.
Wow. Can I feel it?
Sure. You
Hey, it's
hear
fizzing like the
fizzle.
lava.
And you can hear the lava. And it doesn't overflow.
It looks very cool.
And it feels very cool.
Oh
It might
no!
overflow. Is it going to? My hands are blue. I don't think it's gonna overflow, but whoa, it feels cool.
So I think I figured out how it's light up. You have to take this, because this was light up from before when you touched it. And I think you have to put it in here. So the battery part's right there, so you gotta put it right in there.
Whoa,
You just
look,
get it
it's
in
getting
right.
Invisible, kind of. Ooh, I got a tail. Now we're gonna assemble our parts together. So let's get started.
Alright, so here is my finished results of the dinosaur. And it also lights up. You guys can't see that much, but if you wiggle his tail, it starts to light up and make these noises. Then his tail keeps going different color. I mean, this part keeps going different colors. Alright, so I think I got the red hot raptor right here.
I got right here chili mammoth, and if I push his tail down, look what happened. It moved his head. It kind of looks like he's saying no. And there's actually a glow in the dark one which I kind of want to get. It's glow in the dark and it's called Cool Caveman. Okay guys, I think that's the end of our video, and subscribe, like, share, and comment down below which one you liked best. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.